Hi guys! So, nag-apply ako as online content producer here in GMA. As you can see, Encantadia. Thesis ko yan, guys. Thesis ko yan. So, wala lang. Pag mapapanood nyo ito, ibig sabihin nakapasok ako. Pag di nyo ito mapapanood, I'm out. Pero kasi, pinagawa nila ako ng TikTok video. Hindi nyo ba alam na TikToker ako? Charot. Pero tawang-tawa ako sa sarili ko. Tawang-tawa ako sa yung pagiging TikToker ko. Tawang-tawa ako sa mga promo na naiisip ko. Alam mo yun? Oh my God. What an experience talaga. Like,
icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find some space. I could be the word to your missing piece, the extra sentiment.
pauwi na ako. Mag-iinom na lang ako. Sasakyan. Habit. Guys, so wala lang akong boses na naman at wala akong marinig dito sa tenga na to. But I'm holding on for my dear life. So dami nangyari kanina. So may mga story con, mga artista, nandyan sila kanina dito. Dyan. Tapos may malaking parang board ng poster or parang photo wall kanina dyan. So ito yung bag ko. Ito yung bag ko, guys. Ang laki ng bag ko. Kasi dala ko yung laptop ko. Dala ko yung mga pouches ko and everything. And naglabas na rin ako ng payong kasi umuulan sa labas. Grabe, hindi ko talaga muffled yung naririnig ko. Hindi ko nga alam kung malakas ba boses ko ngayon. Anyway, so uuwi na ako ngayon kasi na-schedule post ko na lahat ng kailangan ko i-schedule post. Tapos yung mga kailangan ko for
kailangan ma-upload natin ito.
uwi na kami. May trabaho pa kami. Pero sa bahay na yan. Ako pupunta muna akong SM North kasi magpapanilins ako. Yes. Kasi di ba ako nag-event ako?
Ay, ano bang ganda?
Beauty con.
Beauty ka ba?
Working because tapos na yung work ko for Get Ready With Me and then I'm just gonna edit yung videos. Nag-jacket ako kasi parang aircon ba yan? Ang lamig dito. And then mayroon ako mga bagong clothes from them. And then mag-edit ako ng mga reels na shit ko. Kaso meron akong hindi dito. Anyway, I'm gonna work now. Kasi meron ako mga pending na work for pictures, streaming. Yung mga kasama ko kanina, si Barb, and then yung friend niya. Nandun pa rin sila sa BeautyCon, sa taas. Ang BeautyCon is nandun lang sa taas. There. Andun pa rin sila. Kasi wala naman silang gagawin. So, ngayon, mag-iikot na sila doon. Ikot sila ng mga gusto nilang patahan. Well, me, continue work. And then I just ordered hot matcha latte kasi nasukat niya yung lalamunan ko. At may makeup spots. Yun lang. Bye. Over naman. Pangit talaga ng lighting. But this is the best that I can do. So, I'm here dito sa Robinson's Galleria Movie World because I'm gonna cover for The Green Bones. It's showing again in cinemas because it's a contender for, I think it's part of the Film Academy of the Philippines in partnership with Robinson's Movie World. That's right. So I'm here, I'm covering. Covering means I'm gonna take content for GMA Pictures. So actually, I'm meant to interview a lot of people today. Hopefully, a lot of people come and watch the film so that I could get their reaction or, talk to them about their reaction on Green Bones. So that's my main agenda. Yesterday, and dami kong tinapos na work so that I don't have to think about it anymore today. So I scheduled all my contents for today and until tomorrow so that I am free.
Ala, punta naman kami doon.
Mabuntis ka? Ilang buwan na to?
Ano na to, 4 years.
Drake's birthday!
It's my 7th birthday today.
12th birthday!
I will get Craig. Happy birthday, Craig. I wish you will become a Olympic swimmer. Don't waste my money sending you to swimming school.
Ako, my wish to Craig is I hope you become a pilot. I want you to become a pilot. Even though you have a bad eyesight, science could fix it. You will look good in a pilot uniform.
Message to Craig.
Hello, Craig. Salamat sa Cebu. Ay, ano ngayon? Magiging lawyer siya. Sabi niya magiging lawyer daw siya.
Si Craig?
Oo.
Or if not a pilot, an actor or
Model.
a historian.
Yeah. Hi, guys. I like my birthday.
Okay, yes, cake.
Let's also say happy birthday to Ate Jaila.
Oh yeah, it's my birthday too.
Di ba sabi niya magiging gusto niya mag-lawyer?
By the way, I'd like to congratulate Ate for having a job in GMA7.
Yeah. It's my first week of job. So,
You make me proud.
Natapos. Sabi ni Mama cringe.
Noon ka ayo.
You make me proud. Anyway, that's it for the vlog. Hi guys! So, the trio is back. And nandito kami ngayon sa Greyhound Cafe. Kasi, umuulan. Tapos, actually, ang nangyari niyan ay, ano nangyari? Kahapon, go na rate namin is mag-celebrate talaga ng birthday ko. So, advance. Tapos si Jai, dumating siya ng 10, tapos umalis din siya ng 1:30. Tapos si Amira naman dumating ng 4, tapos hindi pa siya maalis. So, ayun. Tapos si Jai, edi kami ni Amira, for the bonding naman kaming dalawa. Nag-watch kami ng movie ng Kontrabida Academy, and then kumain kami ng 24 chicken, and then nag-slice namin ng mga pang tofu, sisig namin. And then around 1 a.m., nag-chat to na 5 pa daw siya makaka-uwi. Kasi galing siyang shooting. Pero ayun, dapat susunduin namin siya dun if wala. Pero sinundo na siya ng dad niya. So, nakadating ka ng So, ito na nga. Umalis ako ng bahay niya, ng condo niya. Gitna na natin. Umalis ako ng condo niya 1:30 p.m. Tapos nakabalik ako mga 2:30 a.m. na. Kasi nga, meron akong duty, meron akong shoot na pinuntahan. Tapos habang Nung umalis ako ng 1:30, siya naman ang pumalit, dumating siya. So, pagkadating ko sa shoot, as in buong araw ko nagtatrabaho, dapat 10 p.m. nakaalis na ako, eh walang sasakyan pabalik ng company. So, hanggang 5 a.m. dapat ako. Tapos sabi nila sa akin, kung hindi ka makapunta dito, susunduin ka namin. Hinulugang taktak antipolo kasi yun, guys. So, ayun. In fairness naman, sinundo ako, kaya nakauwi ako ng mga 2. Actually, mga 3 a.m. 3 pala. 3, mga 3:30 a.m. ako nakarating. Tapos, ayun, for the bonding na kami.
朋友，再过几分钟，迪士尼好友 Live 城堡派对将会为奇妙派对快乐盛放揭开序幕。收到邀请的你还等什么？在几分钟之后，我们来迎接这个充满欢乐的奇妙派对，一起让快乐盛放吧！Are you ready? Dreamers, believers, party.
Hi guys, welcome to another TikTok vlog. So I'm here at the Directors Club. As you can see, another minutes of my life is because I'm here because of Miguel Tan Felix block screening for Gabi ng Lagim, the movie. He is the main cast for Pochong, which is the first one out of the trilogy. So I'm here to interview the artists and some of the friends of the cast that are here. So ayan. I'm here with my boss and we ate at Lugang Cafe. So yun, nagpansit lang kami, ganun, coffee jelly. And my skin is really breaking out right now. I don't know why. But I'm testing out the microphone so that hindi siya pumalya because it's my greatest fear. Isa sa mga greatest fear ko ay ang pumalya yung microphone while I'm doing my mods. Mods is man on the street, so I'm doing interviews. Bye! Kami na lang kasi late kami, guys. So, ayan. Yung aming hindi niya na malabas because of the nails. Right hand. Ah! Thank you.
May food naman ka.
Thank you. Okay, pasok na tayo. Kasi dapat kanina pa kaming 4:30. Pero na-traffic kami. So, it's 5:50.
But we're not late.
But we're not late because 8 p.m. pa naman. So, we're eating nuggets before we enter. Time check, it's already 6 something. Sarap. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
An update. Time check, it's ano yun natin? Time check, it's 6:56. And we're here at the Tyla concert. We wanna party. Tapos floor standing kami, guys. Pero na-late kami ng kasi ang strapping is 4:30 p.m. Kung hindi ko masyado na-explain kanina, 4:30 dapat yung strapping. And then 5:30 na kami nakarating here. So ngayon, magsi-7 na. Nasa Starbucks kami because nag-order ako ng chicken sandwich. Nag-nuggets na rin kami kanina. And you ordered?
I got my coffee.
Ito na kami since 8 p.m. pa naman yung start. And hindi naman kami nagbabalak na makipagsiksikan dun sa barricade and everything. And then, by the way, guys, second concert ko na and this is your?
This is my what?
This is my second concert and this is yours.
It's my first concert.
Yes.
Show your nails.
Show your nails. Our nails is cat eye. Cat eye black twinning. So, first time ko, this is my second concert but this is my first time in MOA Arena. So, ano pala siya guys? Maliit lang siya. Like, ang lapit ng stage and everything and the people here, yung wardrobe nila is A+. Like, it's T. Talagang to the T. Welcome rin naman, as you can see. Di ba?
Your shining
Yup.
shimmering moment, and you have your leopard moment.
Yeah, I have a purple-pink leopard moment.
And I have my
Bling,
shining
bling.
shimmering moment.
Yes. So, ayun, yun ang ganap namin. Pero, ang wardrobe ng mga tao dito talaga ang T. Ayun, so kakain muna kami and in an hour, start na ng concert. Bye!
So let's bring to the land, dare you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you can? Now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare?
Mauunang mag-debrief kasi nagpo-post pa ng IG story yung isa dito. So, ang aking first comment, ito guys, pera ko naman to, pera namin to. So, if you do not agree, okay lang naman. So, ang nangyari is, floor standing was like 5,250 pesos. So, for its price, it's kind of cheap for floor standing for an artist like Tyla, of course. And then, I really like her songs. And then, I really jam to her trending songs kasi, hello, it's Tyla. And then, the visuals is also good. And the venue is quite okay na for her crowd. And then, the costume change was only once. So, ayun, medyo nakaka-excite nung nagpalit na siya ng damit. So, that's what I love. Aside from that, I also like, of course, the set list. Gusto ko na parang sinama niya sa dulo lahat ng trendy. So, that's an A+. And then, siguro ang pinaka-con ko lang is ang lakas ng backtrack. Parang feeling ko, live siya, live na kumanta si Tyla. But then, yung backtrack talagang parang ang lakas. Pero na-enjoy ko naman. It's like clubbing. Tapos, pangalawa pala na confirmation, parang hindi ganun ka-hype yung area namin. We're like, it's just me and Villier dancing at some, Pero, gets ko naman din. Ako, hindi naman ako masyado talagang nanood ng buong set. So, I really don't know what to expect. But, ayun lang. Parang, medyo hindi hype-ish. Ayun. It's John's turn.
Ang aking debrief is, well, this is just my view. And like Jai said, pera ko naman to. So, well, I just want to say na the budget was not a budgeting. Diba? Like, I mean, okay naman siya. Ang galing ni Tyler. Like, she dances so well. Tapos ang ganda niya. Although, I feel like a change outfit or two would have been useful. Tapos like, syempre, more props would have been good. Tapos like, we only saw yung fireworks, like yung effects go on like once. So it's like, alam mo yun. Well, I think na-carry talaga yung dancing niya for the most part. And she had like, well, she sang like live, which was good. Pero yeah, I felt like it was, they were running a little red on the budget. Diba? Parang alam mo yun. But then it was okay. It was fun. I like the set list. I knew most of it, diba? So, Yeah. Sana lang, like, more effects, more something. Tapos kasi, di ba, even the way that she entered the stage, she went from here. She went from left to right, left to middle. And alam mo yun, dumating na yung drink ni Jai. I also ordered green, kami na green mango ko. Pero yeah, like, pero magaling si Tyla. Like, she does it so well. But the crowd, yeah, sometimes, minsan the crowd was a bit, din. Like, there were a few people dancing, pero, and the few people were us. Me and Jaila, to be specific. Like, look at the mic. Nakaklip siya sa name ko. But yeah, um, definite, pero it was an experience. Not bad for a first concert, I would say. Si Tyla did not disappoint. Yun lang naman. Pero I felt like the production and the whole budget department could have invested more in the whole thing.
Ang masasabi ko lang to add is second concert ko na pala to, guys. So my first one was Olivia Rodrigo and parang for me, she really set the bar so high. Not naman to compare the both kasi different yung kanilang strengths. Pero ayun lang, parang feeling ko, kasi yung kay Olivia, ang daming segments, ang daming nangyayari, tapos it keeps you on your toes. You know? And then yung kay Tyla is medyo stagnant siya. It's parang
The people there was nice.
parang naging one-mo-one show siya. For me lang naman. Oh, it seems like lahat nasa kanya. Although may, basta yun, opinion naman namin to, guys. Pera naman namin to, guys. Kung gusto nyo rin, di ba? Di sana pumunta kayo. Yun lang. Bye.